सो जब भी मैं कोई एनिमे देखता हूँ आई फील कनेक्टेड टू द एमसी एंड मैं उनके पीओवी को खुद का इमेजिन करने लगता हूँ। सो वेलकम टू एनएचके में। सातो इज द एमसी हु इज 22 ईयर्स ओल्ड हिकिकोमोरी। अगर आपको हिकिकोमोरी का मतलब नहीं पता तो हिकिकोमोरी इज ए जापानीज टर्म फॉर पीपल हु आइसोलेट देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम सोसाइटी, who doesn't interact much with others and prefer to stay recluse in their apartment for most of the time. It can be because of fear, anxiety, shame, etc. जापान में ऐसे 1.5 मिलियन लोग हिकिकोमोरी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं। सो सातो ऑल्सो बिलीव्ड इन कॉन्स्पिरेसी थ्रू दिस डेट। एनएचके नाम का एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसको ऐसा बनाया उसका अगेंस्ट ट्रांसफर करके। The story takes a turn in events when मिसाकी नाम की लड़की अपने आंट के साथ उसके घर में नॉक करती है to distribute some religious stuff, where Sato bought Misaki's eye and left a letter on his door claiming that she can cure him of his Hikikomori neat lifestyle. Through some nighttime meetings at the park, जो कि सातो को बड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग लगा and he ignored the letter for the moment, सोच के कि ये भी एक कंस्पिरेसी हो सकता है। But later on, he finally decided to visit the park because of his paranoia fear that उस लड़की को कुछ होना जाए इस पार्क में। इसी बीच he meets with his old junior school friend of his who's a hardcore otaku, and hardcore otakus are seen as kind of immature and antisocial in Japan. Anyways, back to the story. So सातो जब मिलने जाता है मिसाकी से, he lies about being a creator and that he is not a hikikomori, and that is the reason why he doesn't go out much, which Yamazaki overhears, leading them to develop an eroge game together. Yamazaki assign करता है सातो को to write scenarios for the game. The game acts as a facade. Sato uses it to prove Misaki that he is not a hikikomori, but Yamazaki उसका use करता है to not go back to his family business, to run his family business. While on the other hand, Misaki is still trying to get Sato to sign the contract with a penalty clause of 1 lakh yen. Instead of actually working on the game, Sato spends his time playing eroge games, claiming it is research for their project. तो यामाजाकी उसको एक हार्डकोर ओटाकू बनाने में लगा हुआ था, whereas Misaki is trying to get a contract signed which he claims will cure him of his hikikomori lifestyle. तो अगर आपको जानना है कि मिसाकी ने उसको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करवा लिया या नहीं तो आपको वेलकम टू द एनएचके देखना पड़ेगा। It's a very good watch for introverts and focuses on existentialism in such aspects of life.